ABC Kids Draw!
Hello everyone, welcome to our channel. Today we are going to draw and color Pocoyo, catching a butterfly. It's gonna be so much fun. Okay, let's start drawing. First, we draw Pocoyo's head, and his face, and his smiling eyes, and nose, and his hand, his clothes, and his zipper, and his legs jumping up high, and he's holding a butterfly net. Then let's draw a butterfly. And let's draw ground. Okay, let's highlight our drawing. Nice drawing. Okay, let's color it. Yellow for the butterfly, and blue for Pocoyo's hat, and his clothes, and his pants. Okay, let's color his hand and his face. And red for the butterfly net, and light green. Okay, let's color the ground. Well done, nice coloring. Look, Pocoyo is jumping up high, trying to catch a butterfly. And a cute caterpillar is crawling on the ground. It was so much fun drawing and coloring. Okay, thank you for watching our video, and don't forget to like and subscribe us. I'll see you next time. Bye!